What did I click? What's the reward? Bungus. Bye. Oh. No, I want to go back. This is Portland. What about?
Objection!
Factory. Alright. I want to explore. Meh. JEEM when the is now. Is this factory? What about pinball? Arcade arena. Guild. Small plate. Binopolis Island. Supermarket. What's that? Miami.
Oh my god,
You fell. Imagine. That could have been me. Oh, I'll actually look nice in a skeleton outfit. I might make this my avatar. Wanna get money. Should I make it a skeleton or just like dress up Hawaiian? Bro, don't know. Oh no! I died. Did I jump scare you? Yeah, I bet I did. Hey guys, Critical Gamer here. And today we put the largest condom on my largest dildo. That's a bad impression of Penguin Z0. Oh my god! The same time! Same time! What a coincidence! Wait, you can move? Oh wait. I have to hold it now? What? Mad. Ooh, I like Mad. You know those magazines? The Mad magazines? Those are nice. I don't get them anymore. I don't know what happened to them. Right. I'm sending a picture later. But yeah. What is this? Wait, hold on. Let me test this. Bro! So black. You're so dark. I used to whip the people like you. Dark skin.
Hello. Darling, pretty good. Pretty good.
Hold on. No. I'm gonna see if Bobby's still here. He look like the bet up ass.
Oh, no, don't do it!
Wait, what's bolt action rifle? That looks scary. Holy crap, that's a full action rifle. That doesn't work though. Oh, it's like blood and iron. Wait, the lever action? Wait, did you get that? I think he's pretty good. Get out of my town. Oh! So you basically click on a random person, they would automatically shoot. It's like, you know that orbs? It's like the orbs. Hold on, I'm gonna look for more. T-Star bomb. Blue Lake Santa. What's Bun Shrinker? What's that? What's Bun Shrinker? Wait, what was that? Oh, some like random. What is this guy? Hey, don't do that yet. What's that? I'm helping you. I'm helping you. Flip is a bound trigger. There's a lot of damage. Wrong person. I'm gonna give you a bolt reaction. The bound trigger. I didn't click that. The bolt. Bound trigger again. No, I click on bolt. Ah! Scared. This is a nice game. I mean, nice gun. Back in my day, we used to whip your kind. Whipping on non-stop. Wait, what if I spawn Billy? Who's Billy? Billy. Ah!
I can't.
What'd you do? There's a garbage revolver. Hold on.
Garbage day.
Oh, I remember that meme.
Garbage day. Huh? No. Garbage day. Huh? No. Garbage day. Huh?
This is an old meme.
Garbage day. Huh? No.
Flip you. Been canned. Garbage day. Bolt. Bomb on a stick. Kinda boo. Bonk. Borrow. Bound shrinker. Blue Lake Santa. Anyway,
Garbage day. Huh? No.
oh man. What is this weapon again? What is this? That's new. If you had the rolling. This is like Combat Warriors. I mean, the old version. It's not enough space though. I'm god at Combat Warriors. I'll try again. Oh. Oh yeah, there's drama.